So far we have all these four widgets here which are controlled by this one is controlled by the year, this one is controlling the pie chart and the bar chart, and this one is also controlling this bar chart and a pie chart. So now let's add the all employee distribution. So I'll duplicate this and I'll change the query. Now I want to have a drill down from this bar chart to a detailed view, so I can, when I click on this bar, I will see all the employees that were present during this year. So this way I can have a drill down functionality defined, and I can make this a bigger one, and I'll add one more grid. I'll drag this, and I can add the query for detailed view. Now you see this particular, the year is filtered is not based on the top radio control, but it has to be filtered from this bar chart. Now every time you every time you have a bar chart, the values are stored in a variable which you can see it here. So when I click on this and I can see the bar chart specific key value over here, so I can select this value, place my cursor and just say add, click OK. Now the same thing, since we are passing a numerical value, we need to remove the prefix and suffix here. So I'll just remove this. So now what we have done is we have modified some cosmetic properties of the charts and organized the widgets so it looks very concise and it makes sense which widget and controls belong to where. So in this case we changed the column settings for the grid. We added a background border for the pie chart. We also added some transparency to the pie chart and the bar charts. We changed the colors, and we organized it so that the location and the departmental bar charts, they are tied around these two controls. And then we have this bar chart as a separate widget that is tied and related to this one. So so whenever you click on this, you can see that it is having a drill down action. Now when you are in this designer mode, uh, you can drill down by clicking on the shift key and the mouse button, but when you are in the presentation mode, you can simply click on the mouse. So that is the only difference between the designer and the presentation mode. And so what we'll summarize now is what we have learned is we built this dashboard completely from scratch using Excel as the data source. We have the radio controls that are derived from the Excel spreadsheet. We have the location and the department. We have the year, which is controlling this grid and the two pie charts. We have the location that is controlling this bar chart. We have department, which is controlling this bar chart. And there is no limit to how many widgets you can control through a single control radio box checkbox, you can associate, as you see whenever you click on the source, and you can add, let's say if you wanted to add, you can simply say and department equal to, and just keep adding the controls to you want to control it. So that is, and the second thing to keep in mind is you can drill down from any widget to any widget. So you can drill down from a pie chart to a bar chart. You can drill down from a bar chart to another bar chart. So you can drill down into multiple charts at once. So for example, if this two bar charts were listening on the values for any clicks on this, it would automatically update when you click on it. And so the possibilities are unlimited, and it is totally up to your imagination how you can use it, and but build which what makes sense.